Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to download OnStream on iPhone 2025. Let's get started. First, open your Safari browser on your iPhone, then here in the search bar, type OnStream app iOS and look for the official OnStream website. Make sure that you are on the correct site so you avoid fake or unsafe downloads. Then once you're on the official page, scroll down and tap Download on Stream for iOS because this is a third-party app. Your iPhone might show a pop-up saying the installation needs permission, so just tap Allow or Install when asked. And after that, go back to your home screen and you'll see the on-stream icon appear. It might say waiting or installing and wait for it to finish. And before opening the app, go to settings and click general and select VPN and device management. Here, tap the on-stream profile and there select Trust, and this lets your iPhone run the app. Now go back to the home screen and open the on-stream and you're ready to watch. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.